Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the problem and ruling out hardware locks. First, test the Windows key in File Explorer and Start. If it fails everywhere, remove debris and inspect the keycap. Once done, try an external keyboard to separate software from hardware causes, and make sure any gaming mode or Windows lock toggle on your keyboard is off. These quick checks save time because if the external keyboard works, you can focus only on drivers or settings rather than replacing hardware. Next, you address software conflicts and drivers. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall the keyboard driver, then reboot to let Windows reinstall it automatically. Make sure ease of access options like sticky keys or filter keys are off, and verify Start menu hotkeys aren't disabled by group policy or third-party tools. If that fails, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files. When guided to the registry for scancode map edits, export a backup first so you can undo changes safely. To finish, you restore functional settings and validate the fix. If recent changes caused the issue, run System Restore to a point when the key worked, or restore the exported registry if you modified scancode map. Once restored, test in a clean boot, and if needed, create a new local user to isolate profile-level problems. Make sure to reboot between steps. If the Windows key still fails after these efforts, the problem is likely hardware. Replace the keyboard or seek professional repair as the final recourse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.